Hello friends, welcome to my channel, welcome to JT Tech. Today in another video guys, we have come with another amazing and unique trick for you, and in this video I will be showing you how you can be able to earn money on YouTube without making videos on your own. Guys, in this video today I have a step-by-step trick for you which you can be able to earn massive money on YouTube without making videos on your own or without any stress. So guys, here without wasting any much time here, let's get started with me. But guys, please, before we continue, I request you that you watch this video till end. Make sure you do not skip this video for better understanding. So guys, let's get started. And the first thing we're going to be doing here, we have to open our YouTube. Just as I said earlier, I will be showing you how you can earn money without making videos on your own. How you can earn money without making videos on your own. So guys, how do we do this? Once you open your YouTube like this, what you need to do, depending on the kind of content you want to create, for instance, if you want to talk about a relationship or cooking or anything, for instance, like let's search any video that has to deal with cooking, for instance cooking. So we click on search like this. There are thousands and millions of videos about cooking. There are thousands and millions of videos about cooking, and they have a lot of views. Like this particular video has 37k views in 11 hours. In 11 hours this video got 36k views. And we have this video too. This video got 30k views in 1 day ago, and this one got, okay, though this one is 1 year ago, it got 13 million views. So all these videos, they are all about cooking. And again, the second thing I will be searching here, for instance, let's search about relationship. For instance, I will be searching relationship fact. Guys, most people are currently searching about relationship. Guys, as you can see. So guys, it depends on the kind of content you want to create. If you want to create content about Facebook, for instance, if you want to about technology, so you can be able to type technology. Just taking an instance with this type of videos, so you type technology like this. So we have many videos that has to deal with technology. Now, how do we make money without making videos on our own? I will be taking a relationship fact today. For the sake of this video, I will be taking relationship fact. For instance, you create a YouTube channel and you want to be talking about relationship. And you don't want to make content on your own. What you need to do, just come to YouTube and click on the search bar, and here you have to type in relationship fact. So you click on search like this. Now once it opens like this, you have to click on this 3-dot icon by the top right hand side, and we have filters, we have help and feedback. What you need to click, you have to click on these filters. Just as I said earlier, I will be showing you step by step and all the settings that are required, all the applications that you are required to make content on YouTube without to upload content on YouTube without making them yourself and to earn money with them. So guys, as you can see, we have search filter. Now what you need to do next, here we have upload date. You can be able to search content by the date they were uploaded. We have anytime. This anytime actually means like it can be today, it can be yesterday, it can be many years ago. And we have last hour, like previous hour ago, and we have today, we have this week. Now this week actually means videos that were uploaded with this topic in this week, and we have this month, and we have this year. Now the most recommended ones I will be showing you. Just click on this. For instance, we're going to be clicking on this year, but you can be able to click anyone depending on your choice. So after you click on this uploaded date and you select your year or you select the date you want, so you have to again click on this Creative Commons. Now what is the meaning of this Creative Commons? Any video under Creative Commons are free. Any video under Creative Commons are free. When you upload any video, when you download any video under Creative Commons, you won't get any strike or any problem. But I will be showing you how you can be more secured whenever you download the video under Creative Commons. So you have to click on this Creative Commons like this, and then after then you have to click on apply. You click on apply. So we're gonna wait for it to get applied. So guys, as you can see, I have a typical example. Like this video, it says 7 bizarre law facts that will shock you, and in the 11 months ago this video have gotten 157k views. 157k views. Now I will be taking this video as an instance today. So what you need to do, you have to click it like this. You have to click it. Sorry. So this is an ad, this is an advert, so we skip this advert. Now how do we know that this video is free to use? How do we know that we can actually use this video for free? You have to click on this you have to click on this icon here. You have to click on this icon here in order to go to the description. So you click on it. So you have to click on more. So you scroll down below, and here we have license. Just as I said, videos under Creative Commons are videos that you can use them without any problem, without any strike, without any copyright strike. And we have it here. It says Creative Commons Attribution License, reuse content. That means you can be able to use this content on Facebook, on YouTube, on any website if you are a blogger. So how do we get this video? How do we get video directly to our gallery and to re-upload them on our YouTube channel? So you have to click on this share button. You click on this share button. So we have copy link. This is what you need to do. You have to click on this copy link like this. After you must have copied the link, you have to open your browser. As you can see, my browser is already opening. But guys, please, before we continue, if you are visiting this channel for the first time, or if you are watching this video on Facebook, please, we request you that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss any amazing tricks every day on this channel. So guys, as you can see here, we have to click on this search bar. This website is yts1.com. yts1.com. We open this website like this. You can be able to download any YouTube video directly without any stress using this particular website. So you can download any video, any YouTube video directly to your gallery without any stress. So this is the interface of this website. So you have to paste the link here that you copied on Facebook. You have to paste the link like this, and here the next thing, you have to click on this convert. As you can see, it's already loading. Now we have a video quality. You can be able to choose, sorry, this is a redirection, it is an art. So you can be able to choose the kind of quality you want to get, you want to download this video, and I recommend that you use the best quality. So the best quality is 21.5 MB on this particular video. So you click on it like this, and the next thing you're going to be doing here, you have to click on this get link. Let's go back to the application. Sorry, this is an art. These arts, they are redirecting us to another website. So here we have a download icon. So we're gonna download this video, because I said I will be showing you step by step. It's already downloading. I will be showing you step by step and what are the requirement to earn money on YouTube without making videos on your own, without any stress. You can do this with your smartphone. So our video has been downloaded. So the next thing to do after your video has been downloaded, we have an application called KineMaster. It is a simple application. If you need the application, I will be dropping the link on the first comment or on the description for easy access. It is able to use any application. Just want to show you what you need. What you need to do after you must have downloaded a video. So if you are, for instance, if you are watching this video and you already have KineMaster, you have to click on this create new, and then you have to make sure that it is on this interface. And you have to click on this next. So guys, here we click on next like this. It's going to bring us to this interface. So we have downloads folder here already showing. So this is the video we just downloaded. So we have to click and come back you have to click and come back. So if you have an intro, you can be able to add your intro. If you have an intro, you can be able to add your own intro. If you have an intro, you can be able to add your own intro. So you can be able to also delete some part of this video that you do not want. You can delete some part of this video that you do not want. So for instance, if you want to delete some part of this video that you do not want, all what you need to do, for instance, this last interface, that if you don't want this particular interface to share, because it's actually showing that the website of the owner is showing here, so you have to come to the side which you don't want it to show. For instance, let's come back. So for instance, here we're going to go back like this. So we're going to leave it like this. So you click on it, and we have a scissors icon. In order to cut it, we have a scissors icon here. So you click on it like this, and you have to click on this split at the head. Split at the head like this. You click on it like this. So here you have to delete this one. And how do we delete this one? Here we have a delete icon by our left hand side. You click on it like this, so you delete it. So here we have deleted it. We have deleted things that belong to the other person, and you can add your things like subscribe button and all of that. If you have intro and outro, you can add it. So how do we export this video? In order to export this video to your phone, here you have to click on this icon by the top right hand side. You click on it like this, and here you have to save it. You have to save it. Make sure the settings is already like this, so that it will be saved on a very high quality. So guys, here you just have to click on this save like this. So guys, as you can see, this is how you can earn money once the video save on your phone. Once the video finish saving on your phone, you can be able to upload it on your YouTube channel. And you can earn real money with it. For those that don't know how to create a YouTube channel, if you want to know how to create a YouTube channel, drop your comments on the comment box. If you have any question on this, if you are confused, if you want to learn something else, just drop your comment on the comment box. I will be taking you again on my next video. Depending on the comments or depending on your request, I will be taking you on the next video how you can be able, or how we can solve your problem. Please, if you enjoyed this video, we request you that you like this video. Encourage us by liking and sharing this video with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, guys, and do have a wonderful time ahead. Bye bye.